Ancient history Indus Valley civilization bits. Number 1. The earliest city discovered in India was answer is Harappa in 1921. Second one, the social system of the Harappans was egalitarian. Answer is egalitarian. Third one, the Harappans did not know the use of. Answer is iron. Fourth one, Harappa was discovered by the scholar. Answer is Dayaram Sahani. Fifth one, Harappa is situated on the bank of the river Ravi. Answer is Ravi. And sixth one, the Harappans had commercial relations with. Answer is Mesopotamia. Seventh one, the most common animal figure found at all the Harappan sites is. Answer is unicorn bull. Eighth one, Dash Indus Valley site is in Pakistan. Answer is Harappa. Ninth one, the Great Bath of Indus Valley civilization was founded. Answer is Mohenjo-daro. 10th one, the local name of Mohenjo-daro is. Answer, Mound of the Dead. 11th one, Dash has not been found in the excavation of Harappan sites. Answer, Temple with the Shikar. 12th one, Dash was the biggest building in Mohenjo-daro. Answer is Granary. 13th, cereals grown by the people of Harappan civilization was. Answer is wheat, rice and millet. 14th, Harappan weapons were made of. Answer, stone, copper and bronze. 15th one, Kalibangan is situated in. Answer is Rajasthan. 16th one, the utensils of Indus Valley people were mainly made of. Answer is clay. 17th one, the Indus Valley civilization can be said to belong to the. Answer is Bronze Age. 18th one, Dash was the only city of the Indus Valley civilization without fortification. Answer is Chonhodaro. 19th one, Dash was the only Indus site with an artificial brick dockhead. Answer is Lodha. 20th, the archaeologist who initially discovered the Mohenjo-daro site of the Indus Valley civilization was. Answer is Rakhal Das Banerjee. 21, the Harappans were the earliest people to produce. Answer is cotton. 22nd, the essential feature of the Indus Valley civilization was. Answer is organized city life. 23rd, most depicted animal of the Indus Valley civilization was. Answer is bull. 24th, Dash were the streets of cities in Indus Valley civilization. Answer is wide and straight. 25th, Dash materials was mainly used in the manufacturing of Harappansis. Answer is steatite. 26th, the town planning in the Harappan civilization was inspired by the regard for. Answer is sanitation and public health. 27, Dash animals was not known to the people of Indus Valley civilization. Answer is cow. 28, Dash statue was an important creation of the people of Indus Valley civilization. Answer is dancing god. 29, the people of the Indus Valley civilization worshipped. Answer is Pashupati. 30th, Dash is the script of Indus Valley civilization. Answer is unknown. Indus Valley civilization belongs to Dash period. Answer is proto-historical period. 32, there are similarities between the seals found at Mohenjo-daro and. Answer is Sumeria. One seal from Mohenjo-daro shows a half human, half buffalo monster attacking a tiger. Sumeria or seals of Mohenjo-daro were similar to Sumeria. 33, Dash was the time period of Indus Valley civilization, Harappan civilization. Answer 2500 BC to 1700 BC. 34, Dash remains excavated in Indus Valley. Dash one indicates the commercial and economic development. Answer is sales. 35, Dash excavated the site of Mohenjo-daro. Answer is Rakhal Das Banerjee in 1922 on the right bank of Indus River. 36, couple burial was found in Dash Harappan sites. Answer is Lodha. 37, Dash is the latest found site in the Indus Valley civilization. Answer is Dholavira, excavated by M.S. Watts. Second one, B.B. Lal in Kachera, Gujarat. 38. Dash places have given the earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent. Answer is Mehergarh. It is located in Pakistan province of Balochistan. 39. Dash Indus Valley civilization presently in Pakistan. Answer is Harappa. 40. The main occupation of the people of Indus Valley civilization was agriculture. Answer is agriculture. Main crops is first one, barley, wheat, barley, rice, dates, mustard and cotton. Harappan are earliest people to produce cotton. 41. Dash is a mature phase of Harappan site situated in the state of Rajasthan. Answer is Kalibangan. It is in northern Rajasthan state, northwestern India. 42nd. The dockyard at Lodhal was well connected with the river. Answer is Bhagavu. Lodhal is located between the Sabarmati river and its tributary Bhagavu in the Saurashtra region of Gujarat. Its dockyard was well connected with the river Bhagavu. 43. Dash Indus Valley civilization sites was drainage system absent. Banwali. Answer is Banwali. 44. Dash sites of the Indus Valley civilization had an ancient dockyard. Answer is Lodhal. Archaeologist S.R. Rao who discovered a number of Harappan sites including the port city of Lodhal in 1954 to 1963. 45. Dash Indus Valley sites gives evidence of a stadium. Answer is Dholavira. It is one of the 5 largest Harappan sites and most prominent archaeological sites in India belonging to the Indus Valley civilization. It is also considered as having been the grandest of cities of its time. It is located on Khadir Beta Island in the Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary in the Great Rann of Kutch. 46. Dash was the most extensive Harappan site. Answer is Rakhigarhi. Rakhigarhi was a large Harappan town known in 1963 when the area was first surveyed. Archaeologists found it the biggest Harappan city, larger and more extensive archaeology. 47. The largest sites found in the post-independence India is found at. Answer is Gujarat. The state which has accounted for highest number of Harappan sites after independence is Gujarat. Gujarat has been one of the main centers of the Indus Valley civilization. 48. The Harappans did not know the use of. Answer is iron. 49. The Harappans had commercial relations with. Answer is Mesopotamia. 50. The first metal used by man was. Answer is copper. 51. The first excavation concerning the Harappan civilization was carried out of Harappa. 52. Harappan region was known as Mehula to answer people of Mesopotamia. 53. Dash system of counting was followed by Harappan people. Answer is binary and decimal. 54. Dash Harappan sites are situated on the bank of river Sindhu. Answer Mohenjo-daro, Kordiji and Chanhu-daro. 55. The area under Harappan civilization was in shape of. Answer is triangular. 56. The Indus Valley civilization was discovered in Dash 1921. First site was Harappa. 57. Evidence of ploughing the land is found from. Answer is Kalibangan. 58. The site is in Punjab. Ropa. Answer is Ropa. 59. The smallest weight found in Harappan civilization is of. Answer is 13.64 gram. 60. The city of Mohenjo-daro covered an area of. Answer 5 square kilometers. 61. Harappan script is similar to Dash script. Answer is Dravid. 62. The Alvera, Gujarat site was discovered in. Answer is 1991 to 1992. 63. The Harappan people worshipped. Answer is God. The Proto-Shiva, they worshipped mother goddesses Proto-Shiva and people tree. They were not worshipped animals. 64. The Danish people imported lead from. Answer is South India. 65. Dash is of the opinion that the decline of Harappan civilization was caused by natural calamities. Answer is K.U.R. Kennedy. 65. The Danish people did not have trade relations with. Answer is China. 66. Button size seals of Harappan civilization have the symbol of. Answer is swastika. 67. Bread making workshops are found in. Answer is Lodha and Chonhadaro. 68. The animal picturized outmost seals is. Answer is unicorn. 69. Depth and width of main drain in Mohenjo-daro is. Answer 10 by 9 feet. Thank you.